Finding the courage to change. Humbly asked. In 12-step programs, the seventh step contains the phrase, humbly asked. These two words nearly caused me to trip and fall when taking this step. For the first word, humbly, I had confused humility with humiliation. I was tired of being shamed and humiliated. I was all done with begging for love. Finally, I realized the humility is about recognizing my true place in the world. I'm part of something greater than myself. I'm connected to Source energy, but I'm only one unique expression of Source. I'm not better than or less than those around me. I was also disillusioned with asking. I'd been asking for what I wanted from others for a long time. I had always been disappointed in the end. I was tired of disappointment and letdowns. I didn't know that I was looking for love in all the wrong places. As I worked the steps, I began to develop a relationship with my higher power. Here at last I found the parent that never fails, the friend that never leaves, and the love that never wavers. True love lies within. I am loved unconditionally. Today, I'm able to humbly ask my higher power for help and comfort. I know that when I ask, it is given. I just have to be ready and willing to do my part. I have to be alert for signs and coincidences. I have to be ready to take the next right action. I'm not a passive baby bird. I'm a happy co-creator of my own reality.